I'm making this video to ask for your help in supporting a local Pike County family. Frankie Meece recently passed away, and they're asking for support for monetary donations through a GoFundMe account to pay for final arrangements and medical bills. For those of you who didn't know Frankie, he was quite a character. And I really don't know anybody that didn't like the guy. He was well loved, but he was also really sickly, but he never really talked about being sick. He never really let it get him down. He used to go around town collecting cans. I think he just did that mostly just to get out and meet people and do things. But I'll have a link to the GoFundMe account down in the description box. Like I said, I don't normally ask for your help, but Frankie was a great guy and he has a great family, and I like to do what I can do to help them all out. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the video.